everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you've all heard this one, right? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. How about don't reinvent the wheel? How about words like Kleenex or Xerox? Well, Channellock and this particular tool kind of fits that category. How is that? When I was young, Dad would say, hand me the Channellocks. Well, you know what? That's the brand name, not the tool. This is really a tongue and groove plier, not a Channellock. But much like Kleenex and Xerox, we kind of use this generic term, hand me a Channellock. And the old, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Well, many tool companies have tried to come out with a better version of this. And you know what? I find myself always liking this particular version. Why? It just works. That's it, it just works. This particular one is model number 430 by Channellock. It's a 10-inch pliers. Some of the nice things about this, for those who care, made in USA, that's always great. And it has this undercut tongue and groove, and that's what makes it so easy to slide and re-engage. Some have buttons and other things that they try to reinvent to make better, and often they're harder to work than the original version here. It's also forged steel, so you know it's going to be strong. This is high carbon steel, they say. And what's nice is if you adjust the jaws to the correct place, you have a nice 90-degree jaw. So while it isn't here, but when you open it to the correct size you need, like for instance, maybe this bolt, when you do it correctly, you get perfect engagement with the 90-degree parallel jaws here. But because it is serrated with these nice cuts here, you can also turn the bolt and use the points if you wanted to, if you need that. Me personally, I'd probably do the straight unless there's a reason not to. But because these adjust, maybe you have a carabiner type thing here. Look at that, perfect, doesn't matter. How about for doing electrical work? Here we have an outdoor conduit fitting. No problem. You know what? Just open this up to the correct size. And when we do that, look at that. Perfect 90-degree engagement, just like you would with anything else. We have the other size here. Perfectly does that as well. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer, a homeowner, you know you need this in the garage or that little tool drawer in the kitchen. And let me tell you, I can't think of a single trade that couldn't use or doesn't already have a pair of these. This is so universal, so generic, if you will, that every trade can use this. It's not specialized in any way, but it can do so many things for you. So whether you're a homeowner, a do-it-yourselfer, or you're out in any trade, pick up a few of these. And by a few, I mean there's different sizes. They have small to really large. This particular one's really a great all-in-one, if you will, kind of a 10-inch. It can go down very small for little stuff, and it can open quite large for the larger stuff. So for most instances, this particular one, the 430, the 10-inch, will be perfect for you. So if you don't already have one of these, or yours is so old it doesn't work so well, pick up another one. And in the meantime, if you could like and subscribe, we'd appreciate that. That's how we keep these videos going, and we'll see you on the next video.